Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. What's happening, guys? I got some new Pokemon booster packs and I'm ready to open. I'm gonna start with Chilling Reign and then we'll go into battle styles and let's pull some cards. I just slid the side with my little knife to get these out. I love that these come with the promo cards. Get a beautiful little promo card, which I love them. They're so nice. And I get a coin. I love collecting the coins. Check it out. Looks like Raichu. Look at all the colors on this coin. Ooh, that one's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I love this coin. I didn't have it, so here's my collection of coins. Let's drop them in. Bam. And you can get these. These are at the grocery store. These are where you store your toothpicks. This comes full of toothpicks. Just take them out. This costs $2. Take out the toothpicks, put them in something else, use them, and then just take the label off. And now you have a nice jar for your coins. Vampy. Here's a code card real quick. There. All right. Vampy goes right there, back there. Let's put her back there out of the way. And let's start opening this pack. Chilling Reign. Here's a view of the pack. Here's the front. Here's the back. All right, cool. Let's get them open. Time to pull some Pokemon cards. Let's see what we got. I always mess this up. Here's the code card. There you go. Sword and Shield, Chilling Reign. And we'll put that one back there. All right, let's see. Let's do this right. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Energy. Whirlipede. Crushing Gloves. Honey. Aaron. Ralts. Venipede. Bounsweet. Lapras. Tauros. Tauros is my cool reverse here. And we got a shiny Tapu Fini. Baby shiny. Very nice. I'll show you all these close up when we're done. Let's put those over there. Let's get to the next pack. This one is Sword and Shield Battle Styles. Comes with the Charmander promo card. I love that. I already opened this just like the other one. All around the edges. Let's get the pack out. We get the nice promo card. Let's put this one over here. Very cool. There you go. Sword and Shield Battle Styles, 1 pack, Charmander. Very cool, very cool. I love it. There's Charmander. And I'm going to show you these all close. When I'm done, stick around for the artwork close-ups. All right, this is the package. That's what it looks like. Let's get the coin out. And here's the back of the pack. And here's the coin. I believe I have this one already in the collection. So it looks like I'm going to have, I think, a third one of this. I think this will be my third. And there we go, ready to Add to the collection. Bam, there he goes. Very cool. All right. Let me push the cards back. Here's the front of the pack. Sword and Shield Battle Styles. Looking so cool. Love that. And then we have back of the pack right here. Choose your battle style wisely. Gotta catch them all. All right, let's open this one. Let me not mess it up this time. There's the pack. And here's your promo card. Bam! Nice. Let's put that over here so we don't see it. And let me see if I can get this right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Hope I get some new cards. I keep getting repeats in this Sword and Shield Battle Styles set. So many repeats. Energy. Durant. Can't remember if I have that one. Mustard. I think I have Mustard. Cheryl. I think I have Cheryl. Timber. I have Timber. T-Pig. I think I have T-Pig. Glameow. I have it. City Cobra. I have it. Frillish. I have it. Mineshaw. I don't have this one. Nice reverse. Beautiful card. I can't wait to show you guys up close. Really nice. And Sharon. Nice. Blossom Pokemon. I don't have this little baby shiny. So I got a couple of baby shinies today. Let's go ahead and put them over here. And let's start with the Phanpy single pack. And check out all the cards up close. Let's check out the artwork because I love the artwork and I know some of you guys like it too. So if you'd like to see the artwork, this is our time to check it out. Alright, look at the colors. So cool. Phanpy. He's a long-nosed Pokemon. Let me move it slowly so you see all the little colors that pop up. Phanpy. And don't forget to comment below, guys. I love reading your comments. So much fun. Illustration by Kagimaru Haimino. Nice promo card. Happy to get that one. And then I got a baby shiny. Tapu Fini is my rare baby shiny. There's a little star illustration by Shin Nagasawa. And let me show you close up. You can see as I move the card side to side, you get the colors moving around, all nice little shines. And up and down, you get a different kind of, excuse me, a different kind of a view. Or the way the colors move differently, right? They look so cool. That really looks cool as the rainbow comes down. Very nice. I'm loving this one. All right, then we have Taurus. This is my reverse. Comes with a shiny down here. This one's a wild bull Pokemon. Very cool. A lot of motion drawn in here. Very cool. Nice colors. And this one is by Nagimizo. There. And then we have Lapras or Lapras. Transport Pokemon. Very cool. I think I have this one with wheels underneath, probably from McDonald's or Burger King. A figure and a little toy. And then this one is illustrated by Atsushi Furusawa. Yeah, I think it's a little toy that I have from BK or something. And then Bounce Sweet. Bounce Sweet looks cool. A lot of colors, the pinks, greens, and the blues, the sky. Nice colors. Okay, let me get right there. So cool. And there you go. You can see the sun shining. This one's a fruit Pokemon and illustrated by Maho, I don't know, or Maho. So hard to pronounce some of these names. Venipede. Check out Venipede. Cool colors as well. Love the background. A lot of depth there. Looks really cool. Check out the eyes. This one is a Centipede Pokemon by Oswaldo Cato. Ralts. This one is a Feeling Pokemon. Looks like a park behind them. Very cool. This one's by Narumi Sato. Wow, look at this one. Aaron. Wow. Iron Armor Pokemon by Kyoko Unimoto. Or Unimoto. And then we have Honey. Honey looks really cool. Has a nice background. Nice combination of colors. Beautiful blue eyes on this girl. And it's a Ryuta Fuse. Very pretty Honey. Her name is Honey. Very cool. Crushing Gloves. Very nice. Love the colors. Silver and the dark. Really cool. This one's an item. Trainer item. It's illustrated by Toisty Beach. And then we have Whirlipede. Rolling down the hill. Looks like very fast motion. It's a Curlypede Pokemon. Illustrated by Hatachu. Very cool. And the last one was an energy card. Let's go with the next pack. This one came with the Charmander. Very cool. I love the colors. Look at the tail. All the fire. Charmander looking cool. Charmander. Really nice promo card. Cool to get these promo cards. And let's see. We have a baby shiny. Evolves from Cherubi. It's Sherem. And let's move it side to side. This tree looks like it has the shape of a person almost, right? And then up and down. Get more action up and down, right? Looks cool. A really cool card. I love it. This one's a Blossom Pokemon by Mina Nakai. Let's put that one there. And then we have Minechow. Evolves from Mindfu. This one's really pretty. Evolves and turns into a really pretty Pokemon. Really cool colors. I like the way they make the eyes. Very nice. It's a martial arts Pokemon. Very big wings on it. And this one's illustrated by Taira Akitsu. It's got the nice shiny reverse on it. Next one is Frillish. Frillish looks worried. Nice background, and we have some of the little plants on the sides. Floating Pokemon. Kind of like a jellyfish. Mickey Kudo illustration. Silicobra. What's up with Silicobra? That smirk, right? Sand Snake Pokemon, and this one is Atsuku Nishida. And then we have Glameow. Nice background. Look at all the buildings. Fireworks, is that? No, those little things that fly. Illustrated by Shigenori Negishi. And then we have T-Pig. Fire Pig Pokemon. Likes to ram things. Illustrated by Yu Iribi. And then we have Timber. He's a muscular Pokemon by Mina Nakai. And we have a trainer supporter, Cheryl. I have a few of these. A few repeats of Cheryl. Very cool. Nice background. Very nice. And this one's by Ken Sagimuri. Here's some artwork of the Single Strike style Mustard. And I think I have Mustard. Not sure if it's this exact card though, but I do have a Mustard. So strange how I forget which cards I have. Mitsuhiro Arita is the illustrator on that one. Durant. Iron Ant Pokemon. And he's like in a cave or something. Illustration by Kodama. And the last one is an energy card. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And leave me a comment. And give me a little gift of a thumbs up. Help my little channel to start growing. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to say hi in the comment boxes. I'll see you in the next video.